This is a quick video to remember how to remove the wall-mounted TV bracket from the folding arm. The easier way, instead of trying to unbolt this bolt, that's a very challenging way because you have to catch the TV as it drops when you loosen that. The way it was designed to be removed is on the back side. This is a locking screw that locks into a hole here. You back off that screw. You don't have to remove it, just have to back it off so the sheet metal bracket that this is on will slide up. And there's a little catch here. It's just a spring, and you just have to push in and then lift up on the bracket. It's hard to do it one-handed. And that angled vector socket receives this angled receptacle on the back of this thing. That's how you get it off.